Welcome back. Now we are going to AM detection. It means the demodulation process of the amplitude modulation. This process occurred at the receiver side when the modulated signal, that is we denote here S of t, denote here S of t. So the S of t is the modulated signal. It means the output of the modulator. That signal presents here at the input side of the square law detector. Okay. Square law detector. We already discussed about the square law modulator. Here also using same principle for the detection. A nonlinear device is used here. That modulated signal passes through this nonlinear device. That output of the nonlinear device is further fed to the low pass filter, because here the message signal is very low signal. We are already discussed about that. Message signal always it is a low frequency signal. So here accommodate the filter low pass filter. Okay. So what is the relation of input output relation of nonlinear device? You, I hope you are remember, this is the input output relation. V naught equal to A naught plus A1 Vn plus A2 Vn square plus A3 Vn cube and so on, like that. But we take the terms, basic terms up to square part only. That's why that's why this phenomenon is called square law. Okay. If what we desire, the output of the square law detector, we desired output only m of t. We just the input side, this is the modulated signal modulated signal. here here v naught of t is the again um, um, what is that? V of naught is the equation using that relation. After that, the different harmonics or higher order harmonics are presented in the V naught of t. But those higher order harmonics are removed or eliminated by or cancelled by this low pass filter, because only low frequency signal passes through it. Okay. Now here S of t equal to AC 1 plus KAM of t cos 2 pi FCT is the basic standard AM wave. Let us assume this AM modulated signal present at the input side of the nonlinear device. Just this equation, substitute this relation, input output relation of the nonlinear device. Okay. So now the equation like this. V naught equal to A naught plus A1 S of t plus A2 S of t whole square. Because V in here the input voltage is S of t. So S of t. Now substitute what is S of t? It is a S of t equal to AC cos 2 pi FCT plus AC Km of t cos 2 pi FCT. This is the this is equal to S of t. So you substitute where the S of t presents the equation and expand the equation by step procedure. Finally we get this. You just expand this equation or simplify this equation by step on your notebook. You observe finally uh, finally a term. In that derivation, different harmonics, higher order harmonics are present. In each term you just expand this equation, or this just process this equation step by step using the formula. Then at that final, you are uh, among six number of terms are present. In each term consists carrier, but a single term it's only consists message. Okay, here we observe. Okay, by applying the Fourier transform to the this v naught, then by applying the Fourier transform to the above signal, it means time domain signal, uh, finally this expansion like this. We observe here each and every term, no, there are so many terms are uh, derived from the uh, this relation. Finally you observe this term not consists any, um, and then these terms are consists carrier. Each and every these terms are consists carrier. Here there is no message. Here it consists LSBs. Here higher order LSB side bands. Here these all terms are consists LSB signals. But observe this last term in frequency domain, and you just expand here from step by step. There are also similar type of equations are present. In that also the last term, A2 similar term there are occurred in time domain representation also. This A2 this A2 AC square Ka to M of t. So here in frequency domain representation, they represented as M of f, generally M of t. Okay, so this M of t is our desirable message signal. Remaining all terms considers carrier. So we does not want the carrier signal, we want only message signal. Okay, because this is the demodulation process at the receiver side, we want only our message signal. So observe this term is our desirable term. Remaining all these terms are nullified by the nullified by the nullified by the this low pass filter, nullified by the this low pass filter. You just observe remaining all terms, because there are those all are high order frequency terms. So only low frequency term, that is A to AC square Ka M of f. This is the low frequency term. So that is appeared at the output of low pass filter. So in time domain representation, this is also like this. Okay, so also like this, explaining that. Okay, DC component. This is the time domain representation, simplified version. Message signal, second harmonic. This DC component, and second harmonic are nullified in the low pass filter, eliminated by the filter. Um, the only this term is appeared at the output of the low pass filter. In this way we okay, by observing this phenomena we said that this is the message signal. I already told there is no practical, there is no possibility for ideal conditions in practical conditions. So if some another harmonics are present here, you don't bother about that. Our message signal is received, and next there are some purifying circuits are there uh, our systems. So there is no bother about these another constants are present like that. Okay, in this way the square law demodulator or square law detector is detects the our original signal. Okay, it means this is the amplitude modulated signal mm, at the transmitter side. Sorry, transmitter side. At the receiver side, you got this signal. So it's not like that, it's some distorted signal that is smoothing by the smoothing filter. There is no bother about that. So here here what we observe is removing the carrier using the square law, using the input output relation of the nonlinear device. This is about the square law detector. We discussed about for the generation of the M wave two generation process. Square law generator means square law modulator and switching modulator. Here in detection process also the popular modulators are two. One is square law detector and another one is envelope detector. We discuss about the envelope detector in the next class. Thank you very much.